Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today I have my annual Sephora holiday VIB sale recommendations and what's in my cart video. So I'm so excited to share with you guys all of my picks for the upcoming holiday VIB sale. It is finally here. I'm so excited about this sale. It's my most favorite Sephora sale of the year. So you want to check out all my thoughts on the sale? Definitely keep watching. If you are new here, thanks so much for checking this out. I am a full-time working mom, but in my spare time, I love making these videos on fashion, beauty, mommy lifestyle, in addition to a little bit of reselling and luxury as well. So if those kind of things sound at all interesting, definitely check out my other videos, link down below, and please consider hitting that subscribe button as well. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching yet another video. Alright guys, so by all means, I am not a makeup guru or expert at all. I'm just a normal mom that loves makeup and playing with makeup. I also do work in a clinical setting, so I have to be mindful of that in terms of fragrances and how heavy I can go on the makeup. But that's me, that's my lifestyle. So I want to share with you guys kind of my tips and tricks for the sale, but also some of my hot picks for the sale and items that I'm looking forward to trying out and will purchase for myself as well. This video, of course, is in no way sponsored by Sephora. I purchase all these items by myself, so hopefully this is a pretty unbiased little review. Alright, so I love this holiday VIB sale that we have going on because it's a time when, of course, we're thinking about holiday makeup and gifts, and Sephora just released a lot of their holiday gift sets. I love gift sets. Usually they're such adorable packaging. Sometimes you get little freebie gifts with them. And you usually get a discounted deal as well on gift sets. So if you can save extra money on top of that with the VIB sale, I mean, that's just amazing. So this is my favorite Sephora sale of the year by far. So I'm just going to jump into my picks for the sale and what's in my cart. And I'm going to pop up a picture of the item here to show you guys. So the first item that I wanted to mention was an item that I'm not going to purchase because I already own this. And it's this beautiful Dior Natural Glow Essentials gift set. So as you can see here, it comes with the Lip Addict Lip Glow in pink, which is their classic original color. I own probably 5 tubes of this at home right now, so it's just a little lip enhancer lip balm, but I really love it, and I just love the packaging. It's just so beautiful in that little pink translucent packaging. It also comes with a Lip Addict Lip Maximizer, which I also own as well. But really what got me with this set was this beautiful Dior blue velvet pouch, or little clutch it comes with. You really could use it like a clutch. I purchased this at another site, I believe at Saks, when they had a little bit of a sale earlier, and this exact set when it just came out, and it's just gorgeous. I love it. I'm so happy with the purchase, so I would highly recommend this. That beautiful Dior pouch is really what did it, but it really is good quality and just a really nice find, and this makes an excellent gift. So that's definitely number one on my picks for the sale. The next big gift set that I wanted to mention was here. So this is the Charlotte Tilbury Charlotte's Diamond Chest of Beauty Stars. You've probably seen this before in advertisements or social media, but I mean, I really have my eyes on this, to be honest. So I've really been into Charlotte Tilbury more. I own many of her iconic products already, but I haven't tried all these items. I think this value is pretty excellent, especially if you get it on sale. And that chest is just gorgeous. I mean, I know you can repurpose that as well. That's really kind of what's drawing me to it too. This is a little splurge, obviously, though, at this price point, so I'm not sure I'm going to go for it, but I think this is a great value. This would make an amazing gift for any beauty lover. I think it's just a gorgeous set they put together this year, so I definitely have my eye on this one. And then if I don't get that, a couple of other highlights from Charlotte Tilbury I wanted to mention that's currently in stock is this beauty highlighter wand. And this highlighter wand is often really sold out. So right now in my cart, I have the Pillow Talk, which I like. I haven't tried a lot of these others yet, but it's just a beautiful little highlight, and it's often sold out. So provided it doesn't sell out, definitely something to consider picking up, but I believe you do get a version of that in the big beauty gift set tower. So, you know, just be mindful of that. You probably don't need two. And then the other thing from Charlotte Tilbury that I currently have in my cart that I will consider is the Mini Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray Dual Set, as you can see here. So I love setting sprays. I often use the Urban Decay one, but you know, I want to try this as well, and I thought this was a pretty good little set, and I like how it's a mini size, so you know, you can take it with you traveling and in your purse, things like that. So that's an item that I definitely have on my wish list as well. But that's also, I believe, included in the Chesta Beauty Stars gift set. And then I believe those are the only two major holiday gift sets. But I do have another little kind of gift set pack up that I almost for sure I'm going to purchase. And it's this little set of Power Mist Hydrating Hand Sanitizers. The brand is Touchland. Hang on 1 minute, let me just show you, because I actually have one of these right now. Totally forgot about this. Okay, so as you probably can tell, I'm in a hotel because I'm on vacation right now, but I had to film this video because the sale is going live and I want to share with you guys my picks. But this is one of them. So I love this little thing. So it's a really cute hand sanitizer. I think it's the Applicious scent. But it's a little spray hand sanitizer, but look at how small it is. This fits in a lot of mini bags, which I really, really love. I don't like those bulky hand sanitizer sprays, and I also don't like the gels because it really leaves a lot of residue oftentimes. And also, likewise with wipes, it's really bulky, but this is so cute. It's very streamlined. I love the scent. I wanted to try more. I picked this up on the last Sephora sale, I think. I just bought a couple individual ones, but this holiday season, they have this pack up. So I'm really excited to check this one out. I don't even think the Apple one is in this pack up. So I'm going to try all the different other scents. So I'm excited about it. I think it's a decent value. I mean, these things are pricey compared to, you know, sanitizers you get elsewhere, but it's a little bit of a luxury little item in your purse. So I think it's worth it. So that is a fun little thing to check out for sure. And then I have another little pack up here from Tarte. And I love these products, and this value is amazing. So it's an $84 value, but they're pricing it at $39, and you also get the Sephora discount on top of that. So this is from Tarte. It's the Maracuja Juicy Lip Squad set. So you get 4 products in here, and it looks like you get 2 of the Juicy Lip Balms. You get a Juicy Lip Plump, and I wanted to try that. I've tried the Juicy Lip Balms before, and I purchased them over and over again because I really like the formulation. But I haven't tried the plumping version, so I'm excited to give that one a go. And they actually do include a lipstick as well, which looks pretty. So I really haven't tried a couple of these formulations yet. I just think this pack up is an amazing value, so definitely worthwhile checking this out. I'm probably going to go for that, although I do not need any more lip products. I can't pass up a good deal. So that definitely qualifies. And then I have this little set here, and it's a mascara set. It's Bad Gal Bang mascara from Benefit. And it comes with a full size and a little travel size. So I think it's a pretty good value again. I don't really have a favorite mascara. I kind of try out different ones. You often get mascaras thrown in little gift sets too, so I use those. I mean, I'm not that picky. Let me know though what your favorite mascaras are. I really could use the help because I just haven't found, you know, a ride or die one. So I currently am using Bad Gal Bang, and I actually really like it. I think it separates lashes nicely so it doesn't clump, and there's good staying power even, you know, when I wear it for 12 hours a day plus when I'm at work. It performs really nicely, and I like the formulation. So I may restock on this. But yes, please, please, please let me know, what do you guys love for mascaras? Definitely on the hunt for a good one. And then I think that was it for the little sets that I have. And I have a couple other two fun items. So one is a new fragrance. And I often talk about how I just love picking a brand new fragrance for every new season because it just gets me excited for that season. So for the fall, I wanted more of a kind of fall or wintry type of a scent. And I heard a lot of good things about this one. I know it's not a new release by any means, but I just haven't tried it before. It's Tom Ford's Lost Cherry. So I've heard a lot of good things. It's beautiful packaging. The problem is I don't really have an opportunity to try this out, I'll say, because I've gone into a couple Sephoras. They never have this stocked. Even online, it's often not stocked very well. So let me know, do you think this is a scent that I would like? I do want more of a kind of cooler weather holiday type of a scent, so I think I might enjoy this. I like cherry scents in general, I'll say, so I think I'm probably going to like it, but if they have the small version here to try out, I probably am going to try it blindly. As you may see in a previous video, or will see I should say, I just picked up the Baccarat Rouge 540. That's another one that was kind of a blind buy, but I'm really liking it. So I don't know, I might do another blind buy. It's just hard for me to try out fragrances because unless I find it at retail, I don't know how I'm going to check them out, right? And the other thing is that when I shop, oftentimes I have kids with me, so I never go to fragrance counters with kids. Definitely not a good combination with kids. So, you know, I often just do blind buys and whatever. I try to get the smallest size and hopefully I like it, you know? So we will see how this goes. Let me know if you guys tried this and like it. I definitely am curious. And then I just have one final thing in my cart, and that is from Nest, New York. So I talk about this every year. You're probably sick of it, but I love the Nest holiday fragrance. I think it smells like holiday. That's what my house always smells like during this time of year. So I always restock. In fact, I have a whole stockpile of Nest holiday candles. So I'm good on that actually. Usually at Sephora, during this particular sale, they have a pack up where they have a holiday candle with the holiday fragranced reed diffusers. I didn't see it this year. Let me know if I missed it, but I didn't see that particular set. I always get that, and I would as well this year. But they don't have it. So now they have either the candle alone or with other candles, or the reed diffusers alone. So, you know, I have a couple candles already. I don't think I have any stock of the diffusers though. We use those. So I'm probably just going to restock the reed diffusers. But I just love this fragrance. I always use it. It's my go-to, no doubt. So I'm going to almost for sure pick this reed diffuser up and use it during the season. And I think that does it. I think those are my main picks for this season. Of course, as the sale continues, I'm gonna kind of add different things, make a couple changes, as I always do. But at least as of right now, these are all the things in my cart and my recommendations. Comment down below, let me know what your recommendations are for the sale. I definitely really love trying new products out as well. Anyway, I'm so looking forward to the holiday season and trying out this beautiful makeup. I will definitely do a true unboxing when I get all of these products in as well, so stay tuned for that video. Thanks again for watching this one. I hope you're staying safe and healthy. I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.